This is the last facial cleanser you are ever going to want to use. So let's get into it. Harsh surfactants in traditional facial cleansers can strip your skin, disrupting its natural barrier and leaving you with irritated, certainly dry, even damaged skin. Plus, typical water or oil-based facial cleansers are bottled in earth-choking plastic, most of which is surprisingly never recycled. Our gentle, exfoliating and waterless cleansing facial powder will safely whisk away the day's layer of your makeup, your SPF products, dirt, oil, sweat, even environmental pollutants, all without stripping your skin of its essential moisture. Our Nordic antioxidant blend nourishes and helps to detoxify your skin, removing harmful free radicals and pollutants. Enzymes help to gently exfoliate the skin, revealing that radiant, new, fresh skin beneath. We have plant-based surfactants, which gently but also effectively cleanse your skin without stripping or over drying. And we have prebiotics, which help to support your skin's unique microbiome. Also helps to maintain your skin's natural barrier, moisture barrier, and improve your skin's texture. Your skin is left amazingly soft, cleansed, and ready for the rest of your skin ritual. It's certified 93% bio-based content from renewable resources, so another plus for our planet, and dermatologist tested for allergy and irritancy. Of course, always formulated without parabens, phthalates, GMOs, gluten, synthetic dyes, and fragrances, just to name a few. And best of all, the lightweight powder formula is actually a refill. So you can just continue to refill this container and keep it as your forever packaging for cleanser. So live cleaner, safer, and better with Norwex Skincare.